In this short video, we'll be swapping out the driver's side vent from that to that. Procedure should be similar, whether driver or passenger side, but passenger side on this car is good, so it's just driver's side. So you need to pop off this piece of trim right here. If you have like a pry tool, you can reach in and you will be able to pop it off. If you see, just 2 clips here. Next thing you have is an 8mm bolt right there. Oh, one quick thing, I used the pry tool to pull this off because there's a little tab right there. So if you pull it off, you should have enough room to where you can clear it without snapping anything. And I'm going to carefully pull it back. There is one connector back here you will need to remember. And that connector is right under there. Again, it's just the 2 pull squeeze tabs. So you're going to squeeze one side and then the other. Okay, so this is the new one installed. What I did, I pulled it out this much, and that'll give you enough access to actually squeeze in behind here with your hands and squeeze the tabs. Then you can just slowly kind of massage it back into place, like so. Remember the bezel that's right here that needs to go in the back. Okay, there we go. One thing I did, I pulled off the side panel just so I can confirm that this thing did go in correctly. Kind of see this is the thing that the duct, and this is the one where it comes from the car. So after this, we're gonna put that bolt back in. Again, it's an 8mm. Got the little plastic trim. Set it back into place. It should just pop in. Like so. There we go. And this panel, which optional to remove, but it will make it a little bit easier. Panel goes right there. And there you go. Oh, I forgot to clip this in. And there you go. Went from this to that.